So this is a baby food forest. I'm talking a few hours old. When we backfill the holes, I never recommend using anything in the hole. I want the tree or the bush to go out and find its own nutrients. So use the native soil back in the hole, maybe top dress a little bit with some compost and then your wood chips. And then any amendments are gonna go on the drip edge of the tree. So over here is where the root ball kind of ends. My amendments are gonna go a few inches outside of that because I wanna encourage those roots to go out, spread out, and get all of their own nutrients, moisture, and water on their own. It'll create a healthier plant longer term. Now, a greenhouse is gonna tell you to amend in the hole or right next to the root ball. It's gonna make them look really good, but it's not gonna be what's best for your plant in the long run. So outside of the drip line, past the root ball, lightly around the edges. Now, what you fertilize with is really gonna depend. In the springtime, I like to use something that's gonna push nitrogen, so we're thinking things like blood meal. In the midsummer, I like to do things that are gonna help with fruit set, like bone meal. And then in the fall months, I like to focus mainly on minerals, things like azomite or magnesium sulfate, Epsom salts, to really help get things ready for the winter months. So hopefully this amending tutorial is helpful. As always, have fun, and I'll see you in the garden.